Additional information, the suspect drove through the fence on airport property.
Officers with the Columbia Police Department in Missouri were responding to an attempted carjacking of a mother with her 2 kids in the vehicle when dispatchers received another call of a carjacking less than a mile away from the first, this time involving an elderly man. Both victims described a white Buick sedan fleeing the area after fighting back with the suspect. When officers reached the area, the suspect appeared to be making a break for the highway.
Pulled me out of my car and had me out here on the ground beating the crap out of me.
Okay. Do you know who this person is?
No, it was a Hispanic guy.
Okay.
And then he got in my car, tried to take my car. I was poking my fingers in his eyes, you know, trying to keep me out of my car.
Okay. I'm gonna let them know.
The blood trail where
we
beat the crap out of me.
who would think that would happen in the middle of the day? And he left his phone too.
Okay.
Oh, that's his phone? His phone was in my car when he got out.
Okay.
This guy,
I pulled away.
was packing.
You did?
I
did. Okay.
And that's what saved me, I think.
Going back onto just driving in circles in the grass.
He had blood coming all the way down his face.
Okay.
And
I'm gonna have medics because that needs to get checked
they
out.
need to be looked at. I agree.
Can you get medics for how old are you, sir?
75.
75-year-old male.
Is that going to be going south on 63?
He yelled at me, and I went and I said, look, get out of there. And I went and I said, I'm getting my gun. I grabbed my gun out of my truck. I brandished it. I didn't put my finger on the trigger or anything like that. I said, you need to make the right decision and get out of here.
Okay.
He walked over to his car. He took off. I got pictures of his car and license plate.
You want to come sit over here? I know it's kind of chilly.
Yeah.
You want to help him real quick? Yeah, grab your keys. Turn your car up. So they're right behind the car right now, sir. So they're working on getting them.
He just threw something out next to the bridge. We'll be coming up to Grindstone, speeds 80.
Officers pursued the suspect for more than 20 miles toward Missouri's capital city at speeds in excess of 95 miles an hour. That's when troopers with the Missouri State Highway Patrol got involved, with plans of their own.
Yeah, just hang right here. I want this son of a shit in us. Help keep the belt on.
I believe we're just north of where the spikes are set up. Speeds 90.
There he is right there. Get her strips, get her strips. Got him, got him. Go get him, go.
Good spike, good spike.
Yeah, let her get him out of the way.
Or good spike.
Let them go. Let's go.
There's 4 units behind them. They hit Callaway County spike, selected not spike. Too many cars.
We're gonna back off. We're actually shut down and just back off because there's 3 in there. We can't get
And we're
involved.
4 units
Nope,
behind
keep
them. They
following.
struck the Callaway.
Phone call 65, I believe. We're coming up to the Jeff City exit. I believe we got a good spike. It looks like one of the tires is flat.
They got 1 tire
Shut the
down.
lights off. We're just gonna
Then we're 1 tire down.
Yeah, they got different rules than we got. They can have more than 3 cars in and we can't.
That sucks, doesn't it?
This does suck. Tell them
If
that
they want us to take over, 698 report position.
they want us to take over. Tell them we can be in position.
450 Jeff. I'm in position. We can take over.
He's stopping. He's stopping.
Car stopping.
Get your butt off.
Phone call 65, we're slowing down. Pretty good. He's losing control. He wrecked. Now he's going down a hill.
Pursuit of suspect right now going down a hill, pursuit 16.
He's trying to get to this road underneath this bridge, underneath 63 on the exit ramp.
63 southbound, north of Missouri River Bridge.
Go,
on an exit for 54.
Seatbelt back on.
Is the vehicle stop?
Not just yet.
We got aircraft overhead. 742.
742.
He's down. He's trying to get back. He's went through a field. He's trying to get onto the oil well road. Aircraft is overhead.
What are you doing?
95 if he's got it.
He's going to be going on that road towards the outer road.
Coming to the old highway that's cut through into Jeff City. He's currently westbound. 95 MV, copy. Copy, behind Ag Center, heading down towards the river.
Do I need to turn my sirens on?
Yeah. I thought we had them on.
Okay.
Anybody get a view where he went?
I did not see where he went. I don't know if the county guys see him.
I don't know.
Copy, Sandstone Road, Conservation Road.
Conservation Road.
Copy, underneath 54, coming out on the Conservation Road.
Outside, 7,200 pounds, taxi on his right cheek.
Under 54 now.
So you need to turn around.
Yeah, but he can't go under 54.
Under 54, please, man.
Oh, I think I know. This is where we used to run for the academy.
Is he on the Katy Trail?
And he does have both driver's side tires down, both driver's side tires down.
And Hiberna, dead ends. Go straight across. Keep going straight. You go straight. Go straight. Go straight. Go straight. Go straight.
All right, control guard the overpass. Just stay put for a second.
This is his trail.
Okay, he turned onto the airport property here. He's driving through the grass.
He's down the airport.
Down on the airport property.
1465, helicopter is overhead. Advise the suspect is running across airport property.
Copy.
1465, 1380.
So
Holy shit, go up there.
go straight?
Yes, he's up, I think, on the runway. There he is over there.
Copy, through the fence on airport restricted property.
I think that's him right there.
Yep. How do we get up? There's a fence.
Keep going down on the left. Looks like he's... Damn it. Go that way, go that way, go that way. We got it. He's out of the car.
We didn't miss him after.
He's coming right there.
Additional information, the suspect drove for defense on airport property.
Copy.
You gotta go get him, bud. What are you messing with? We got our handguns. Let's go get him. Fuck, don't let them get us.
1018.
You gotta go get him, bud. We got our...
450, 1018. Okay, he is on the airport ground. Red shirt, red shorts, and a hanger here. He drove to the fence. He's in the north corner of the hangars on the west side of the field.
He just went right behind that building there.
Copy. He's in a hangar to the north corner. The hangar is the west end of the field in red shirt and red shorts.
I'll get cuffs. I'll get cuffs. He's ours. He's ours. I'll get him. Stupid son of a bitch. Let go of your goddamn hand. Send us off.
My car's over here.
Who was lead in all this? Did I spike him or was it true? Was it the second one?
I think it was you. Yeah.
You guys go in mine?
Huh?
You guys can go in mine? Oh, this is a little It's alright though. How many cups is it? How many cups is it for?
I'm gonna say you don't have to worry about that. Sit up. Yep.
Looked like he threw either a big black phone or something like a wallet.
Yeah. You guys have a fingerprint scanner? Yeah, good. You want to go? Yeah, we'll figure it out, man. Because I don't have one. It's also intoxicated. So.
34 Jeff.
Warmth. Holy cow.
What's your address?
I don't know. I tell you the truth, I drive a little.
You just drive?
Yeah.
Come here, look at this. Come look at this.
Is there another call in there?
No way.
That's 100%. That's crazy, man. So he tried this, failed, and then he came to here to do it again? Wow.
Boss.
Yes.
Hey, sit up for me.
I'm kind of tired, man.
Tired? Oh, here, spread your legs. I didn't check up in here. You're not hiding anything? Are you okay?
Yes.
You just threw up all over my car.
I was gonna sit.
All right.
Sick, man.
Here.
I tried knocking on the window, but you wouldn't come here, so I had to throw up in the back of your seat.
The suspect, identified as 30-year-old Josue Lopez, was taken to Columbia Police Department and, according to a grand jury indictment, booked on charges of vehicle hijacking, 2 counts of attempted child kidnapping, 3rd-degree attempted kidnapping, and 1st-degree tampering, all in relation to his first attempted carjacking. In relation to the second carjacking, he was charged with attempted 3rd-degree assault, modified because the victim was elderly, resisting arrest, and driving without a license. Second offense. Lopez was denied bail and later entered a plea of not guilty. Lopez sat in Boone County Jail for nearly a year while his case was in pretrial until March of 2025, when Lopez agreed to a plea deal. He pleaded guilty to vehicle hijacking, 1st-degree tampering, 3rd-degree assault, and resisting arrest, while all other charges were dropped. Lopez received a 15-year prison sentence for vehicle hijacking to run concurrent with his other sentences. He is currently serving his time at Northeast Correctional Center and will be eligible for release in 2039.
You came to the wrong airport, bro.
That was the wrong airport, seriously. Yeah. Oh, awesome. Cool. Well, fun stuff. See ya.